What is bread in the buns without yeast? In this video, we're going to be finding out how to mix our yeast and our baking powder to give you a very soft and yummy looking bread buns like what you can see here. We are using 500 grams of flour for this recipe, but at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you detailed ingredients and measurements for 1 kg of flour, so you want to stick around. We just added our yeast and baking powder, then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use between 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar if you know you want yours to be really sweet. I added my cinnamon. They were going to mix our wet ingredients. We are using 1 cup of water or 1 cup of milk. You can go for milk if you really want your bread buns to really be rich. I added 1 egg to the water mixture. Then I added 1 tablespoon of melted butter or vegetable oil. I added my vanilla flavor. I'm going to mix my wet ingredients together and add it to my flour. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. If you've been here before, good to have you here once again. If you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe, do like and share. Do comment. Tell me what you think about this recipe. And if you are my returning subscriber, I love you so much and I'm so glad you are here again for this awesome recipe. Mix your dough to be like so, then you get ready for the next process. Now, have you joined Debbie's Kitchen membership? Do you know what is going on in Debbie's Kitchen? Debbie's Kitchen membership is out. We have level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1 costs as little as 600 naira for those of you in Nigeria, 3.99 for those of you in the UK, and $3.99 for those of you in the US. So you can join. You have access to your own customized ingredients and measurement. You have access to a community whereby you can ask any question of your choice. I have access to your own video. So if you have not joined, this is just a little bit of all the things you're going to access to. For that chicken money of 600 naira, my dear, you cannot complain. This is not expensive. Oh yeah, click on the link in the description box to join and see you there. Now we are going to go on now to divide our dough into 2 portions. We're going to roll till flat. Anyone can make this recipe. Just follow my ingredients and you will be glad you did. Now, after rolling till flat, we're dusting with just a little bit of flour, not too much, to prevent your dough from sticking to your surface or your fingers or whatever you're working on. Roll your dough like so. It is so easy. Some of you have seen this recipe on YouTube. This is just a little twist to the one you've watched. Pinch the edges like so to prevent it from loosening while frying. Go on now to flip over, sprinkle a little bit of flour, then roll on top of your dough. This will help seal in all the open ends. Trim the edges. We want a clean bread buns now and cut like so. For this recipe, we had like 20 pieces minimum. You can have more than that, but I don't think you should have more than that because your bread buns is really going to be flat. Now fry on medium heat consistently while you stir until you have this golden brown look on both sides. After we take your bread buns out of your oil, set in a sieve or salvet to strain excess oil, and you can see how good it looks. It is well sealed, of course, because we sealed the ends and we did roll it properly. Once you keep it a sieve in a salvet, girl, this is what we got at the end of the day. This bread buns is breading. Is it breading? I want you to type in the comment section that it is breading. It looks so good, guys. Yes, one good thing I love about combining yeast and baking powder is that it is so crispy on the outside while being so soft and fluffy on the inside, like bread. Like, this is what I call bread buns. Yes. Bread has yeast and buns has baking powder, don't you think so? Now look at the ingredients and measurements for 1 kg of flour.